Hi, I'm Michael Potter. Welcome to our segment on the Nevada Asset Protection Trust. Now remember, we're looking at the context of entity planning by using trusts, corporations, limited liability companies, and limited partnerships working together. But in this segment, we're looking specifically at the use of the Nevada Domestic Asset Protection Trust, which can be formed in Nevada but applied anywhere in the United States. Now, of those states that have passed some form of asset protection trust law, the top tier consists of Nevada, Alaska, South Dakota, and Delaware. So of the 12 states that have passed some form of asset protection trust law, the states in the very top tier, those 4 states, have the best chance of giving you the protection that you need. But then I would compare those 4 based upon their statute of limitations and whether or not there are any exceptions to the protection that you get. Now, the states in the second tier are quite a bit distant from the states in the first tier, but it's good to identify what they are. That would be Tennessee, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, and Wyoming. Now, various states have adopted certain statutes of limitations, and the shorter that statute of limitations it is, the better off you are in terms of protection. Now, as long as there's no fraud involved in establishing the asset protection trust, the claims of creditors are barred from being asserted after only 2 years. Now, in the bottom tier, there are 4 states also, and the usability of their asset protection trust law is in question in my mind because of the restrictions that it places on them. That would be Utah, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Colorado. The differences between these states, of course, has a lot to do with how long or how short their statute of limitations is, and what type of creditors do they actually protect you from. Now, why is the statute of limitations such a big deal? Well, basically, that's the cutoff period. That's the period beyond which certain types of creditors may not reach the assets. Now, what can the Asset Protection Trust actually own? There's a good deal of variety, and as long as it's established properly, the trust can own limited partnerships, it can own limited liability companies, it can own corporations, it can directly own stocks and mutual funds, real estate, and much more. I also like the fact that with the Asset Protection Trust domiciled in Nevada, you have some flexibility on who can be which type of trustee. In the end, when you compare all of them, the state of Nevada really does stand out. And that would be your first choice at the top of the top tier. I just can't emphasize enough the importance of planning ahead while your legal seas are still calm and everybody still loves you. If you wait until a lawsuit has appeared on the horizon or until there's a creditor claim that's chasing you down, your timing is really off. It's important to get this done while your seas are calm. Now, as usual, I've given you a lot to think about, and I'm happy about that. However, I know that you may have some questions, and if you do, please feel free to get in touch. I'm Michael Potter, and I look forward to hearing from you.